Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and you are watching now MISSIONTOP Computer. In this video, I am going to show you how to send email using Google account. Today I am going to show you how to send email using attachment several file like image file, audio file, video file and document file as well. So without any late, let's start the video. Before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, you can see here is my several file for preparing attachment for sending email. We can directly attach this file into our email, but today I'm going to archiving this file into RAR file because the RAR file is secure to sending email and decrease file size also. So first of all, I'm going to open Google Chrome browser and search google.com here. And now I'm going to type a keyword WinRAR and download. You can see here I'm going to download WinRAR application in my computer. You can see here there is more version of WinRAR, and now I'm going to download WinRAR 64-bit version, 64-bit Windows version. Because my Windows operating system is in Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so you can see here my operating system type is Windows 10 64-bit operating system. So now I'm going to download WinRAR application 64-bit in my computer. It's loading, and okay, here you can see our WinRAR 64-bit application is start downloading right now. Okay, WinRAR application is successfully downloaded in my computer. Now I'm going to install it. Now I'm going to click on install and click on OK and done. Okay, now as you can see, now I'm going to archiving my attachment file here. Okay, you can see here this is my file I have prepared for sending email attachment. So now I'm going to archive these files into one RAR file. Okay, you can see here you can password protect your archive RAR file like this. You can enter password and re-enter password also, and you can click on OK and your file will be password protect. But I don't use any password right now, so now I'm going to click on OK. Okay, now I'm going to choose export destination for my RAR file, and now I'm going to input a name for my archiving RAR file. I'm giving the name is multimedia file for my archive file. Okay, now You can add your any name for zip file while creating your rar file. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and click on OK. Okay, you can see here my file is successfully zipped into one rar file here. Okay, now I'm going to check it out. You can see here there is all file is inside the rar file. So now I'm going to use this rar file for email attachment. And now I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Now I'm going to type gmail.com, and you can see here Gmail website is loading right now. Okay, now I'm going to sign in using my Google account. Okay, now I'm going to type my Gmail account. You can see here this is my Gmail account, and we need to input password also. So now I'm going to input my password here and tap on next. Okay, my password has I have input my password, it's wrong right now, so now I'm going to choose my password again. Okay, my Gmail account is successfully logged in and it's loading. Okay, you can see here this is the dashboard of my Gmail account. And you need to remember one thing, your Google account is your Gmail account. So today I'm going to sending an email using my Google account. So now I'm going to click on compose for sending email. Okay, you can see here we must input a recipient email address here for sending email. So now I'm going to input a recipient email account. So now I'm going to input any subject here, like all multimedia file. And here you can add your opinion here, like your message or what do you want to say about this email. Like I have typed here hello, like this. You can type your message here. You can add long message here because this is email service, not SMS service, so you can type long message right here. And after type your message, you can add your attachment right now. You can add your image file, document file and audio file, but today I'm going to send a rar file. I have previously zipped my prepared document into one rar file. So now I'm going to choose my rar file here. You can see here. Now I'm going to open my rar file. This is my rar file. So now I'm going to open, and now it's loading, and now I'm going to choose another file too. Now I'm going to choose text file. Okay, you can see here I have successfully attached my one RAR file and one text file here. Now you need to know about when I click the send button, the email will be sent to this recipient email address. So finally, now I'm going to click on send button. Okay, you can see here our message has been successfully sent to recipient email address. So I'm going to check this email successfully sent or not. You can see here our email has been successfully sent, so you can see your email into sent tab, and you can see here this is the sending email address and this is the recipient email address. So now you can see here this is my attachment file, and now I'm going to check this email successfully received or not to my recipient email address. Both email address are my personal email address, so now I'm going to check another recipient email here. Okay, you can see here our email has been successfully received into recipient email address. You can see here this is the email in recipient Gmail account. There is two attachment file also inside the email, so you can see here. Now I'm going to download this file in my computer, and okay, now I'm going to open this file in File Explorer. This is my text file. Okay, now I'm going to download RAR file also. The RAR file is downloading right now. It takes some time, 12 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, now our RAR file is successfully downloading in my computer, so it's also here. Now I'm going to extract this RAR file. Now I'm going to click on OK. You can see here the RAR file is successfully converted to folder. So now you can use your any file in your computer. So I hope you understand this video and it will helpful for you, and if you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye, namaste.